Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the best tools for monitoring, security, and performance optimization. In today's video, we are exploring Datadog, a powerful cloud monitoring and security platform that helps you keep an eye on your applications, infrastructures, and logs all in one place. Whether you're a developer, engineer, or even an IT professional, Datadog makes it easy to track system health, troubleshoot issues, and enhance security. So let's begin. Okay, so the first thing that you need to do is to visit the official website, which is datadoghq.com. From here, you have two options on the platform. You can click see the platform itself, like a small video, or I highly suggest you click the free trial, wherein all you have to do is very simple. Just provide all the information needed. 14 days generous free trial, no credit card required. Once you have successfully created your account, you would notice that you have all this information readily available, and all you have to do is follow the on-screen instructions. Okay, and then you need to install or update the latest Agent 7 version on Windows. Click on it and you would be forwarded here. All right, takes a little while. You see that? And then you need to download the Datadog agent installer right here. During the installation, follow the prompts and add your selected API key and the specified region. Right, so we're gonna click on this button right here. Okay, so once you have downloaded the Datadog agent setup, remember that there's like very important step before you continue. Okay, so remember earlier I mentioned that you need to follow the prompts and add your selected API key and the specified region. API key is this, copy this to later, and then the region. So we're gonna click on next, and of course accept the terms and license agreement. Click on next. From here you can choose the location. I'm gonna click the default. Now this is where the important part is. Again, copy this, click to copy, paste it here, click on next, and the which Datadog region you want the agent to send data to. So that's going to be this. Copy this, paste it here, click on next, and the username. And then if I were you, just leave blank to let the installer decide, and click on next and click on install. It'll take a little while and I'll get back to you once the installation is done. Once you have successfully installed the Datadog on your computer, as you can see, it's connected to an agent. It's going to be displayed on the top right corner, and the host name, which is going to be my computer or your computer. Now, Datadog Agent Manager is a graphical interface used to manage and monitor the Datadog agent running on the system. All right, so the left side is going to be the status, wherein it displays a summary of the current state of the Datadog, including general version of the agent info right here, system info, connectivity with the Datadog, and active integrations and running checks if you have all these. All right, so as you can see, these are going to be some of the information that is available here. We also have the collector, wherein you see it creates a metrics collected. All right, and then there's going to be the general collector here. Shows detailed information about the metrics and logs collected by the agent. It helps verify if the agent is properly collecting data and sending it to Datadog. Now, the log is kind of like a simple process displaying logs related to the Datadog's agent's operation. This is kind of useful for troubleshooting issues such as connectivity problems, checking failures, or errors in integrations. You can filter this from the most recent to oldest first, depending on your preference. Now, the settings is something that would allow you to configure various agent settings, such as API key setup right here. Okay, logging level like debug, info, error, and network settings, plus the proxy configuration. And the checks lists all the enabled and configured integrations and custom checks running on the agent. And of course, you also have the check summary wherein it shows the execution status, metrics collected, and any errors or warning. The Flare is a troubleshooting tool right here that collects system and agent logs, configurations, and statuses into a report. For example, we're going to put in ticket number, you can see that, and put in the email address and click on submit. This report can be sent to the Datadog support for debugging and complex issues. Now, the last section is going to be the restart agent, wherein it provides an option to restart the Datadog agent directly from the interface. Okay, useful when changes in configuration requires a restart or if the agent encounters any issues. Needless to say, Datadog Agent Manager is a graphical interface used to manage and monitor the Datadog agent running on a system. All right. And then when you hover down below, there's going to be like no exit from here. Now, when you go back to the Datadog web interface, as you can see, you will be forwarded here. You can choose from the overview. You can select your platform to see agent installation instructions for Mac OS, Windows, and a lot more. You have the Red Hat, Oracle. Basically, there's a lot. And then click on the finish button. Once you're done that, you will be forwarded to this. Takes a little while depending on your internet connection, and you will have all these information readily available for you. Now, similarly to the Datadog Agent Manager, on the left side is going to be the tools where you can utilize Datadog. Dashboard is an option for you to track key metrics across the infrastructure, applications, and services, because users can create custom dashboards if you want by clicking on the new dashboard with widgets right here. Like graphs, you can add graphs, tables, and heat maps to monitor system health and performance. The monitor is a section that enables user to set up alerts right here, and you can browse integrations, 600 plus integrations. If you click on the browse 600 plus integrations, you will be forwarded to this new window or new page wherein, as you can see, you can simulate interactions to test website availability and API health. So there's a lot that you can work with. Okay. Now, the watchdog is an option for you to detect anomalies, trends, and performance issues automatically, because it provides intelligent insights without the need to configure custom monitors, helping detect unexpected behaviors across logs, infrastructure, and application performance. The next is going to be the service management, wherein it provides an overview of all services running in an environment. It helps DevOps team to track service health and interactions between microservices. Okay, and then the next is going to be the actions, wherein it allows users to respond to alerts or automate tasks based on detected issues. It supports integration from all of these. You can create a custom self-service apps with App Builder. If you click this button right here, you will be forwarded to a new page wherein you can build custom tools right here and click the make your first app. But we have a separate video on how to make the first app in Datadog, so we're gonna skip that. Instead, you might want to check that in our channel, please. But the idea is you need to choose an integration and just click on continue and follow the on-screen instructions. The next is gonna be the infrastructure, wherein it provides a real-time view of servers, errors, and cloud instances. All right, you have all these information right here. Now, the cloud costs helps teams track and optimize cloud spending by analyzing usage and cost data from providers like AWS, Azure, and GCP. It identifies unused resources, cost spikes, and optimization opportunities. The APM is an application performance monitoring, wherein APM helps develops, monitor, and troubleshoot the application performance, providing deep insights into. Next is going to be the digital experience. This section focuses on monitoring real user interactions and synthetic testing for web applications. Now, you can create a new API testing if you want. Basically, all you have to do is provide all of the information and follow all of these steps and click the create steps. Now, the next section is going to be the software delivery, wherein it provides observability into the CI and CD pipeline tracking. So, if you want to skip this, you are welcome, because it requires a learning curve, because here you can code changes with performance shifts, right? So we're gonna go to the security, because this section provides threat detection and monitoring by analyzing logs, infrastructure, and application, including all of these. It detects suspicious activities and workloads, investigates and responds to threats. Now, the last section is going to be the LLM observability, wherein it's designed for monitoring large language models, or LLMs, in AI applications, providing insights into latency. If you click the get started, you'll be forwarded to identifying models, failures, or drift, tracks user interactions with AI application. Now, if you go back to the homepage, these are going to be some of the documentation that you might want to read, install the agent, set up integrations, and a lot more. Because Datadog is a monitoring and security platform for cloud applications, providing observability into infrastructure, applications, logs, and security. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.